Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca and I got a haircut. I like the haircut. I don't really like how she styled it. I don't want to add any more heat to it right now, so I'm going to style it myself after I wash my hair again. Today I need to get ready for work, so I'm going to do that on camera. I got a little request to use the Sapphire Obsession by Huda Beauty. This gorgeous little palette. So I'm going to use this one today, and a thing that I haven't done in a pretty long time is a smoky eye. So I want to do a smoky eye today with this palette. I'm just going to do my eyes on camera, so I'm going to start with that. I prime my eyelids using the Urban Decay Primer potion. I also have a little bit of green tea here with me. I'm going to start with the darkest shade first, and that's going to be this dark blue in the corner. I'm going to apply this one all over my lid, and I'm going to use a Juvia's Place 005 small buffer brush for that. Picking up the shade, you basically need a fluffy and kind of flat brush like this, because it's a matte shade, and I feel like a fluffy brush like this kind of applies it a little bit better. And yeah, that's gonna go all over my lid. And by the way, I feel like every time I mention my work and how I do my makeup for work, I need to specify where I'm working. I'm working in Sephora. Because usually I get comments like, isn't that makeup a little bit heavy for work? When working at Sephora, nothing is too heavy. So I'm applying it on my lid, but in my other corner I kind of bring it a little bit up to kind of extend my eye a little bit. And why do I feel like this blends itself? I mean, in my opinion, Huda Beauty palettes are really easy to work with. You have to make sure that you cover the base of the lashes really well, so you won't be able to see the skin here. I was wondering why this mirror is so bad, but then I noticed this. Yeah, much better. Usually when I'm doing my eyes first, I leave the lower lash line at the end. But for this kind of a smoky eye, you kind of want the whole look to be kind of cohesive. The upper and the lower lash line shouldn't look like they are two separate parts of the makeup. So you kind of want to connect them and make everything look really smooth. So that's why I'm going to do the lower lash line now. So I'm going to pick this color on a Morphe M149 brush, because it's a little bit smaller. I really can't use the previous brush, that's way too big for the lower lash line. And I'm going to apply it close to my actual lashes. And see how right now it kind of looks disconnected? So I'm going to basically extend my lower lash line into the upper part. I'm not going to leave it like this. Right now I look like kind of a raccoon. I'm going to take this lighter blue here to blend everything with a Morphe M507 brush. Oh, isn't this just gorgeous? See, like it's kind of duochromatic. I'm going to use this as well a little bit later. Dusting off the excess from the brush and placing this shade above the one that we just placed to blend it into my skin. And see how I did this outer corner a little bit more lifted? The key is when my eye is relaxed, I want this line to look kind of straight. So it's important for you to see how your makeup will look when you just look ahead, relaxed. So don't do your whole makeup like this or with your eyes closed, because you're not going to know how the end result will look like, especially if you have hooded eyes. So here I really like bringing things a little bit upward Oh, this blends so easily. And same thing on the lower lash line. And when I reach this outer corner, I apply very little pressure on the brush, but you want this area to be really faded, so you apply a lot less pressure on the brush. And I need a little bit more of this dark blue here in my outer corner, again to connect the two parts. And now I'm basically switching back to my blending brush to blend what I just did. Since this is completely matte at the moment, I want to add this beautiful shimmer here, just in the middle of my eyelids. So I'm taking this shade and applying this in the center of my lid. Oh, this is so beautiful. It has kind of teal reflexes. Right now this eyeshadow looks like a starry night. So beautiful. I'm just going to pack it a little bit with my finger, just to add a little bit more intensity. Since the eyeshadow is really intense, what will make it look a little bit more pulled together is actually a black pencil. I'm going to apply this Sephora Collection black eye pencil on my waterline here, and also on my upper waterline, I think this is called. In such an intense look like this one is, you really want to avoid your skin color showing here around the lash area. Now I'm going to do my base off camera. You can watch my previous video, I did a full makeup tutorial including the base. Okay, face is done. I feel like it's no surprise at this point that I'm wearing a nude lip almost all of the time. This one is a slightly darker nude, so you should be proud of me. This is how the eyeshadow is looking right now. Since I applied concealer and powder and everything on my under eyes, I need to fix the blending a little bit. I'm going to take this teal shade again and just apply it on the lower lash line. And here on this edge again, because I kind of ruined the blending. And then what I like to do is take a clean blending brush. This is Juvia's Place 007 Pro blending brush, and really fade this edge. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to use this silver shade from the palette on a small detail brush. Oh, this is glittery. And to finish everything off, I'm going to apply the Size Up mascara by Sephora Collection. This gives me that dramatic volume that I need for a look that's as intense as this one is. I'm going to apply it on the lower lashes as well. And this is the look all complete using the Sapphire Obsession by Huda Beauty. I really hope you like how the look came out. I kind of miss doing a smoky eye like this. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I really appreciate you watching this video, truly. Have a great day. I'm going to head to work. See you in my next video. Bye!